Here's a pair of the JBL Tune Flex 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Amazon Fire TV or an Amazon Fire TV stick via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these into pairing mode. So let me go ahead and open this up. Now I can just look here. If the lights are blinking blue, blue, blue like this, I know it's in pairing mode. Also, if you take out the buds and put it in your ear, as soon as you take it out of the case, you're going to hear pairing. Now, if you don't see the double blinking lights on both of these, then you may be connected to a different device, or you can just manually put this into pairing mode as well. Okay, to do that, just go ahead and just put both the earbuds in your ear, and then the left or right one, what you want to do is tap and then tap and hold. Keep holding for like 5 seconds or so and just wait till it says pairing, okay? And then both of these will start blinking blue. Anyway, we're in pairing mode here. So let's shoot over to the TV and just go to the home page, click on the home button on your remote, and then we can navigate to the settings icon there, that gear icon right there. And then from here, we're going to go down. We're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices right there. We're going to go all the way down to other Bluetooth devices. Go down to add Bluetooth devices. And now it is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, now these are still in the pairing mode, and there you go, it found it. So everything in pairing mode within like Bluetooth range, which is about 30 feet. So let me go ahead and select the Flex 2. It says pairing device, and voila, we are now connected. It just said connected on the earbuds as well, and there you go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.